bàbá olóyin Sẹ̀san Adéwùsì táwọn tọ́lọ́run gbogbo ènìyàn tó bá fẹ́ ròyìn òkìkí ọ̀dọ̀ Sẹ̀san Adéwùsì ní kí ẹ gbà lọ.
Good day, Fias. Here you meet me again, Mr. Sẹ̀san Adéwùsì. Tantolum, Bàbá Olóyin kan. Bàbá Olóyin original. I'm seen at Yesota. Bàbá Olóyin bus stop. Bàbá Olóyin bus stop. Yesota. And the program you are watching today is Bàbá Olóyin original television. Tantolum. Don't forget I'm the publisher for this book. African Power, Part 2. This is African Power, Part 1. This is honey as a medicine. This is healing power of honey, and this is solution to man problems. Yes. As you have seen all these books, you can get them on your WhatsApp, email, or Gmail. We can send the books to you. You can collect the books on your phone or your email, Gmail, or WhatsApp. But if you're in Nigeria, you want me to post the book to you, we can send the books to you through a reportable courier service in Nigeria. They deliver the book to you within 3 days. But just know that we go to courier office every Tuesday. Not that you will pay on Tuesday, you expect the book the second day. No, you have to wait till the second day. But any payment made between Wednesday to Monday night, the following Tuesday, we send the book to you. Yes. And if you can come to Bàbá Olóyin bus stop, Yesota. Bàbá Olóyin bus stop, Yesota. You see my books and honey there. But I always tell people, we are selling books and honey. We don't sell only honey now. Nowadays, even I told my agency in the town that if anybody just come, I need only honey, I need original honey. I will ask them, which original book? I don't need to know. Go elsewhere. Where honey is available. When the situation in the country is alright, then people can go to the bush in the night. We will be selling honey. But presently, the little case of honey we have, we reserve the case for our customers who has bought our books and who has bought our honey, or who are ready to buy honey to do the things in the book. We don't sell only honey. We are selling honey for those who are ready to buy the books together. Or there's evidence that we have bought our books before. Honey is very scarce. We used to go to harvest honey in the night. And you people know what happened to who goes to bush in the afternoon. Talk less of who want to go in the night. The word is enough for the wise. Today, I want to teach you your mouth, anyway. Some people, they travel out of the country. They came down to Nigeria to see the herbalist, to see pastor, to see prophet. But this Dioma Funko, some people, when they collect soup from herbalist, they will call Yabuki to come and see it. Ya Daniel will come and witness it. They have gone to their town. They have gone to their village to collect spiritual things. You are showing them to you, the person that is not happy with you. Take care of your mouth. By next year, we are going to Dubai. By next year, we are going to America. By next year, we are going to Germany. Anyway, your body low. Some people, when they come down to Nigeria, they happen to see a very big man who get this thing, cash, and is not yet married. And he promised to marry them. But when they go back to their different locations, they will call their friends. I got one woman. He bought this handset for me. He bought something. He promised something to me. You are telling the person that is not how can I see, that doesn't get a clear mind. After some time, you call the man, he will block you from his phone and his WhatsApp. You will think it is riches and visa that are bothering you. Take care of your mouth. My child is now so university. He has got admission. Your mouth. One of my children has got appointment in the oil company. They are giving him 10 million every month. He's getting a car. Your mouth. Take care of your mouth. I want to relocate from London to Germany. I want to relocate from America to Japan. Your mouth. Before this thing happen, allow it to happen before you expose yourself. I remember one Fuji musician. He wanted to travel to America one time. He did the poster. Hey, bye-bye to London. Bye-bye to America. He did the Central Party posters around the town. He was unable to go that time. A Fuji musician at machine. Now, if you want to travel, you don't tell anybody again. I won't mention the name. I won't mention the name. I don't mention the name. Now, if the boy wants to travel again, he don't tell anybody again. Yes, he don't tell anybody. And it's going successfully. He has traveled almost all over the countries in the world now. He don't tell anybody again. Even if you want to tell the mother, he will read the other country. My mother, for yesterday I got that letter. I'm now in America. You never get passport. You are telling people your this thing. This is New Year 2022. Not every time witches and wizards are worrying you. Most of the time, you are worrying yourself. Don't forget, this is the latest book. If you collect soap from herbalists, you collect soap from prophets and pastors. And they work for some time, they are not working again. What you can do to revive the soap again is in African Power Part 2. You that, when they give you soap, they give you perfume. It works. It doesn't work again. What you can do that anytime they give you something, it will be working for you. It's here. African Power Part 2 is here. Akoyawa Mbiu. Yes. Somebody beat you unnecessarily, unlawfully. You want to revenge. It's here. Run away wife, run away husband is here in the new book, African Power Part 2. See, this book, you have a case, you are innocent. I want to look at what ọgbọ́dọ̀ náà mọ̀ rẹ ọgbọ́dọ̀ náyàwó ẹ̀. Yes. Or legend to report number, you jump traffic rules. You are not in problem. As a VG1 view, yes, you will reach the FSM Jimmy. To remove hatred from your body is here. If you need fame and popularity, is here. Some people, you are a prophet, you are a herbalist, you are a spiritualist, you are a musician, you are a radio and television presenter. You need fame and popularity. There are some people when they are doing program on radio and television, well, they will tell their children, oh yeah, change it to another channel. If it is radio, they will tune off. How are you going to be popular with that? To get popular is in this book, African Power Part 2. You will get power. African get power. I wish you happy new year again. This year will be a blessing year to everybody. Those who don't have motor, you will get motor of your choice. Those who get cars, you will get cars of your choice. This is the program you are watching today. Baba Oloyin Original Television. The program you are watching is Baba Oloyin Original Television. The phone number is on the screen. 080-5474-9455. Listen again. 080-5474-9455. Then don't forget to watch my other channel, Kenny Show Television. Kini Show television. I used to feature there as well. And I loaded many videos there. I loaded many videos. The videos I'm losing there is different entirely. They are different entirely from what I'm loading here on Baba Oloyin Original Television. Then don't forget to watch my son channel. My son channel, Mr. Lastborn Comedy Adewusi. Mr. Lastborn Comedy Adewusi. And those of you that send money to me during Christmas and New Year, some are even sending money to my son, Mr. Lastborn Adewusi Joshua. So we thank God. We thank you. I do appreciate. God will bless you and enrich your purse. Till next time when you meet me again on this channel, remain blessed.